Artificial Intelligence in Web Design Certification. Requirements. There is no prerequisite needed and you do not need to know any coding to design websites. Description. What is this website design course all about? Website design is the art and science of building the look, feel, and how a website functions in a nutshell. This course is having a clear, concise, and easy to use website design technologies and will ultimately lead to better user experience for your custom audience or clients. There are many aspects of successful website design like HTML, colors, layouts, text size, graphics, and so much more. But this course is a huge differentiator in the design field as it uses artificial intelligence-based website design state-of-the-art technologies which is covered nowhere in the world. If you've been wondering how to learn website design, you've come to the right place after all. Business Home Affiliate Marketing using Bing Ads. Requirements. Computer with internet connection. Description. We all know someone that's making a lot of money through affiliate or CPA marketing. You ask yourself, what do they know that I don't? Well, there is no secret at all. It's much more easier than you think. Let me show you how to get accepted into a CPA affiliate network, surf through the offers to pick the right ones you should promote, and then go through the step-by-step innovative process that I use to make money myself. You can replicate this process over and over again. Machine Learning in Python and Data Science 140 Hours HD Video. Requirements. Beginners are welcome. Description. Hello everyone and welcome to this course on an introduction to machine learning. In this course we will have a quick introduction to machine learning and this will not be very deep in a mathematical sense but it will have some amount of mathematical trigger and what we will be doing in this course is covering different paradigms of machine learning and with special emphasis on classification and regression tasks and also will introduce you to various other machine learning paradigms. In this introductory lecture set of lectures I will give a very quick overview of the different kinds of machine learning paradigms and therefore I call this lectures machine learning. Closing parenthesis. A brief introduction with emphasis on brief, right? So the rest of the course would be a more elongated introduction to machine learning, right? Learn Excel from beginner to advanced with example. Requirements. No prior knowledge is required. Any fresher to the Excel. Description. In this course you are going to learn daily Excel equations which are widely used in daily life with shortcut. No prior knowledge is required. We have taken example to teach easily so one can learn from basic with example. Boost sales using Zoho CRM and SMS. Requirements. No. Description. In this quick and easy course, Leo Isaac will show you how to convert up to 40% more leads and how to maintain your existing clients using text messages, SMS automation. The course starts with how to register for a free Zoho One trial account and D7 plugin. The following lessons will discuss how to automate text messages, SMS in order to convert more leads. Flutter and Dart, the Complete Guide 2020 edition. Requirements. You do not need any qualification. Description. Become a Flutter programmer and learn one of employers' most requested skills of 2020. This is the most yet straightforward course for the Flutter on Udemy. Whether you have never programmed before, already know basic syntax, or want to learn about the advanced features of Dart, this course is for you. This course will teach you Flutter in a practical manner. We will start by helping you get Flutter installed on your computer. We cover a wide variety of topics. So what are you waiting for? Learn Flutter in a way that will advance your career and increase your knowledge, all in a fun and practical way. GUI programming and CSV in Python, basics, project-oriented. Requirements. Yes, a basic knowledge in Python is preferred. Description. This course will be helpful for you if you're a Python intermediate who know about lists, dictionary in Python and trying to learn to develop something in Python 3. In this course, you'll learn about the Tkinter module available in Python and develop simple GUI using it. Microsoft SQL Server for beginners to expert. Requirements. A personal computer. SQL Server installation on student's PC will be preferred but it is not mandatory. Willingness to learn the Microsoft SQL Server. Description. Be ready to update your CV for better job by attending this SQL Database for Beginners course. Database management and database programming is an essential need of every industry, therefore almost every organization needs people with skill set in database management and database administration. Microsoft SQL Server is one of the famous relational database management system (RDBMS) of modern era. This course is designed for those students who want to learn the basics of database as well as to improve their SQL query writing skills instantly. Complete machine learning with RStudio. Requirements. Students will need to install R and RStudio software, but we have a separate lecture to help you install the same. Description. You're looking for a complete machine learning course that can help you launch a flourishing career in the field of data science and machine learning, right? You found the right machine learning course. After completing this course, you will be able to confidently build predictive machine learning models to solve business problems and create business strategy. Answer machine learning related interview questions. Participate and perform in online data analytics competitions such as Kaggle competitions.